Google Maps Street View on phone in 2021. Now that's I'm going to show you guys in this quick video. So let's get started right away. Now the very first thing you have to do is you have to go to the YouTube app. You go to the Google Map app, and then you have to it is this process works on both Android and iOS. And in the Android, this app is pre-installed, and for the iOS you have to go to the App Store. Then you can download it, and after downloading you can choose a location that you want to see in the street view. And after choosing the location, then you have to type long hold the location that you want to a street view. And let's see, I long hold this location, and then when you click on long hold, then after in the upper part left part of the this photo, you can see this photo. Then you have to click on this photo, and here you can see the street view of this photo, this location. So that's it, and you can see it by. So that's it. And if you want to see another street's location, then you have to click on this, long hold this the any of the street, and then you have to click on the this picture, and then it will shows the street view of this location. And here you can see the street view of this location. So that's it. And so that's it, that how you can use Google Map of street view on phone. If you found this video helpful, I appreciate if you subscribe to my channel, like on this video, and comment below that it works. Have a good